there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how you can verify your profile on LinkedIn. So for this, I am here on linkedin.com. You need to click on your profile here and now go to view profile. Once you are here, now you need to click on verify now. Okay, so here I will go with verify other way, and here you can verify your workplace as Upwork, or you can verify your identity with Persona. So we will go with Persona here, and now you need to open your phone and then open your camera. Here you need to zoom to this code and now click on the code. Now here you need to do some verifications, like you click on verify with Persona. Here you need to check these boxes. Click on accept and continue. Here you need to choose your passport. You need to choose your country where the passport is issued, then click on continue. Click on yes, continue. Now here you need to upload the image of your passport and then your account will be verified. In this way, you can verify your account on LinkedIn. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.